Hello, I'm Maslin Shumba of Zimbabwe, Bulawayo. What I'm going to tell you about what is MMM. MMM is a financial global community where people connect to donate money to each other. MMM is a social financial network. In MMM, we don't bank on the system, but it is a link to our personal office where one manages his own or her account. Ideology. Plays an important role in connecting the community. With we help each other to improve our financial status. Offers free and fair financial distribution of money and makes our community a better place to live. Commissions and bonuses at are loans and there are no legal guarantees. What is money? Money is the most valuable thing in our lives. It helps reach our desires and goals. Most people spend most of their time trying to make money. Money rules the modern world and also gives financial freedom. In banking controls all the finances in our countries. They charge us higher interest rates by making us believe that without them we can't never survive. You deposit money in the bank, another bank withdraws it at higher interest rates. The interest rates make you poorer. The more you visit these financial systems, this world is bad, so make it better. Together we can change the world if we do what others can't do today.